Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and remove your phone number from your TikTok account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what we're gonna do, we're simply gonna go ahead, open up our TikTok app first. And once we have opened up our TikTok app, we're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this profile icon given below right corner, and then we're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this three horizontal and top right corner, tap on the settings and privacy, and then we're simply gonna go ahead, simply tap on this option called account over here and tap on this account information, and then we'll be able to find our information, include our phone number and our email, right? So we want to unlink or remove our account number. We tap on this phone number option. This will give us three options, including change phone and unlink phone. If we tap on this unlink phone, we will be able to remove our phone number totally, or our account will not be linked to any phone number. If we tap on this change phone, we will be able to change our phone number to another number, entering the confirmation code we will get, like just like we got before adding this one. So if you just want to remove it, you can simply go ahead, tap on this unlink phone, and you can unlink your number from your TikTok. That's how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.